Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Isaac, and today it is Friday. So let me just tell you guys what happened here. Pretty pissed at myself. Put in the trade, and I don't know what happened at 5:30. I put it in too late. I tried to do it right before 5:30, and I messed up. Gave me something like this, and I lost about. See here, how many pips was that? About 40 pips at the most. About 40 pips. And I probably shouldn't have closed it. I just closed it because I didn't like the area. And we just wouldn't break this EMA right here. Not sure why. It just wasn't breaking. So I just hopped out of the trade, seeing okay, rejection here at this resistance. Now we're seeing it stay on top of the 30-minute EMA. We might see it come up. Fortunately, I'm out of the trade now, but I am looking to re-enter for sure. So let's see if it gives us an opportunity to enter again. So the reason I took this trade, in my opinion, we've seen a break of structure, right? We've seen a key rejection at this fall off zone, right? Not only did we see this key, I didn't take this trade, sorry. I should have though. Key rejection at this zone, at this resistance ceiling. But let's go higher high, higher low, higher high, or I mean lower high, higher low. So basically what I've seen right here was something like this, right? And then it broke through, fell off, right? Lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low. So I think we're in this crazy area right now where price is kind of making rejections on both sides, right? We got the 15-minute 50 EMA right here that's being rejected and respected. And we got the 30-minute 50 EMA that's being rejected and respected. So for me, it's a matter of what price is going to do. We do have this ILC right here. It's not golden zone, but 50% ILC. That's why I took the trade, but the only reason I haven't stayed in it is, like I said, there's been so many rejections, and it's just like, all right, fuck it, let me get out of here before I take a big loss. And I was thinking price could probably push up to this area up top right here. So I think that's a real possibility still too. Either or, either or. Ooh. So let's see what happens. You can still see it's basically moving up, right? And it's on top of this green line, kind of stacking. Um, we got open right now, so I'd like to see if it comes back in here and respects it, or if it's going to blow through it. It's kind of where I'm at with it. You see how it has that? It's like a move up, right? That's where I'm a little bit worried about. Now it's getting quite a big push, but if it rejects the 15-minute 50 EMA, and I think we're still in business, but you could see if it finishes like this, as bearish or bullish as it does, with these rejections, I think it's a good chance it pushes up, right? So we got to see how it treats this area over the last 2 minutes. I'm down about 200 for the day right now. Um, so let's see what happens, man. Looks like it's getting a big push right about now. Let's see where NASDAQ went. Nas, I really didn't see a play. Um, I thought it was a break of structure, but it pushed up, so still don't really see a play. See where this thing goes. I think this next minute is going to be crucial because now that it's on top, right, of 15-minute 50 EMA, we know that there's a good chance it could use this as support now to push up, right? And we can see that there's clear resistance right here that can be used as support. All this resistance to support right here. So it's still up here. Let's see what happens. I don't think I like it no more. It's just so much volatility and bullish momentum up. think it might be headed up now. Oh, just like that, right before open. I like your style, dog. I like your style. That was pretty cool. That was pretty cool. I could still respect this area and push up though, right? This doesn't mean nothing. I think there is sellers in the market, but it really doesn't mean nothing, right? So let's see what happens. Looks like it still wants to go up a little bit, right? Buyers are coming in. Yeah, buyers are coming in hot. Looks like it's out of here. Let's see. I don't want to put a sell in right now. Yeah, it just looks too bullish. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, it looks like it wants to head up. Whoa. I mean, if it, this is what we're talking about it using this area of support now, right? It's can definitely happen right here. Looks like selling pressure was coming in right now, but I think it's going to stay bullish for the most part. So, yeah, look at that thing climbing up right now. I kind of want to put a buy in, but not in this area, right? Not in this 50% area. I wouldn't like to put a buy in right here. Look at that thing go. NASDAQ. Looks like it's making its way up. Broke these highs right here. It's right at this support level now, right? So this is going to be key right here. Yeah, both of these look like they're on their way up. Yeah, you can see the support level right here that's being built. No way is US30 coming down. Oh, I was about to say. Big little push, but if it uses this as support, we know it's coming up, right? EMA right here. Yep, look at that. Yeah, look at that push right off the EMA. Yeah, it looks like it wants to come up, right? Till we see something different. It looks like that's what it's gonna do. Make its way up. Let's see if it can fall off. I put a little trade in right here, so let's see if it can fall off. I got a pretty nice entry. It's only if it falls off though, right? Yeah, it doesn't look like it. Yeah, it looks like it's holding up right there, huh? It's falling. Let's see if it can hold up right here. And I want to take this if it comes down. I've honestly already moved my stops to break even. I want to take this down to the downside, maybe even just about right here. Mm, Still respecting that. I move my stops to break even, so if it takes us out, it takes us out. Let's see. Okay, looks like it's continuing down. Hopefully. The one thing I'm worried about is it's a possible break of structure, but I think this high needs to be broken before there really is any break of structure. So, you know what? That was the high right here. That was broken here. So, man, there is a chance it could continue up, right? Let's go to the 4 hour real quick. Yeah, look at that was the previous high. We broke that. Might come down here again, right? And then push up. I think that's a real possibility. Or any of these areas can be hit and pushed up from. I was just thinking in terms of, your Fibonacci retracement. My stop's at break even, so if it stops me out, it stops me out. It looks like it's getting that support right here. Right on the EMA, right? See if it can break through it or not. See these rejection wicks right here? I like these ones up top. That's what's keeping me in the trade. But, ah, there it goes. I just got stopped out. Damn. Yeah, this shit is headed up. I got right to where I thought it would need to get to. Right about here, the only thing. And then I'll see. Mm, yeah, a lot of bullish momentum. The reason I'm so bearish still is we're still under this golden zone EMA, or this resistance that's been, smacked a couple times and respected and rejected more than a few times, right? That's where we've seen all this movement here. So I think it's very possible for it to reach up top right here. But I think if it does, then we have an issue, right? This is kind of the area. Let's see if it sells off from. But it's so bullish right now, who knows? Might be ending the week on a big bear run. Oh, right at that line, huh? So we got 30 seconds on this 1 minute. Let's see if it comes up here or stays below. Sellers tried to come in right now, right? Maybe other sellers try to hop in, like myself. But it's just so bullish right now. I don't know. Let's see if these guys can come in right now. Pretty good in here. I don't need that big of a stop loss, but I think we need like 80 pips, which I don't know if I want to get in right here at 80 pips. I mean, realistically, we would only need this, about 25 pips, but yeah, it's just too bullish for me. I don't think I'd get in right here. I mean, I like it, but it's on top of the ILC, and this is more off of just, you know, oh, look at this coming down. It's getting a little bit of a slowdown, but I don't know if I trust it. I put a sell in right now. Oh, man, it's kind of making its way down already. Right. Well, let's see. It's still holding up, right? If it uses this as support right here, then we know it's coming up. Let's see. Where am I at? Let's go. We're up about 12 pips right now. Um, shit. I kind of want to move my stops to break even already, but you know what? Let's try and feel this out a little bit. See what's what. Now, this is strictly just me trying to see what the market's doing right here, right? That's all it is. Knowing that we're at a key resistance area that's been respected multiple times. Doesn't have to be, well, look at that. Still making its push. 8 seconds left. Ah, yeah, that looks like it's going up, right? So I don't necessarily have to wait for my whole stop loss to be hit. If it's doing this, I could see, okay, it's maybe time to get out of this trade right here. So bullish. I thought with the news, from what I was reading, that it wasn't that great of news, that we're still seeing prices increase, but it looks like it still is making its way up, right? And I don't want to fight this no more. Um, You can see the way that it finished, rejecting this area here, complete engulfing candle, engulfing the last 4 candles. It looks like it just has a lot of momentum right now. So, let me see here. Let's take the L. I like to cut my losses short, and 4 pips. Oh, that sucks. It took me out of 15 pips instead of 4. I seen 4. So you can see where it's headed now. Shit. Good morning. Miles kind of been doing his thing right here. Good morning. What's up, dude? How are you? How'd you sleep? Oh, you were singing E-I-E-I-O in your dream? No way. You did it? You did it? You did it? Wait. Oh, with silence had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Damn, that thing is booming. Honestly, the way it's pushing right now, I know for sure it's coming up top to this area again, but I think it might blow through it this time. We've had respect a bunch of times. I think it might. Good morning. Can I have a hug? Is Zoe still sleeping or is she awake? Where's Zoe? No, you do. Get, what? Oh, shit. I'm getting in this bitch. No matter what. I don't care. What? Gee. Ricky. All right. Good morning. Man, it might not hold up, but look at. I'm just going off strict resistance right here. You guys could. I wouldn't risk it if you guys. There's not a lot of confirmations. All we have is that this is a strong resistance so far. There's a lot of momentum behind this push up, so it can push up on us. See, that's 50 pips. So we'll call it like 55 pips right there. If it comes down, it comes down. If it doesn't, it doesn't. It's Friday. I ain't got no job. I ain't got shit to do. It still looks pretty heavy though. Look at that thing. I don't know if that's exactly where I'm at. Hold on. I'm up about 3 pips right now. Right at that resistance, right? Now I'm down 1 pip. Up 2 pips. This one is not a strong trade in terms of confirmations. The only reason I'm taking this trade is because of resistance that we know is here. That's been respected and rejected a few times. Damn, kind of looks like it's coming up though. Let's see. 50 pips. I'm not risking a lot just because I know there's not a lot of confirmations here outside of the rejections. So let's see what happens. Oh, let's go. Come on now. Come on now. What up, dude? Good morning. Silas. Where's Zoe at? I thought I heard somebody else. Oh! Who's that? Who's that? What happened? Oh, baby. Come here. Come on. Come on, baby, come on.
Good morning, Daddy.
Good morning, my love bug. How'd you sleep?
Good. Think I got
I don't see any, but your eyelashes are long like mine, so it's possible. Come on.
You upstairs? You want to watch something?
Hey, it has to be very low, okay, baby? Because I'm still on here. All right, this is the moment of truth right here. Okay. Let's see if we can make it down. See, the 1 minutes are all down here. Zoe, shh, shh, shh. Come on, baby. Yeah, my bad, guys. My kids are up. I like the rejection. Maybe there's so much bullish momentum. Who knows? You know? Good morning. B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh. Silas. Oh, ah, e, ooh, ah, me, moo, ma. There was a da 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 da. B-I-N-G-O. Man, I guess it is just going up, man. Hold on. US30 earnings. I think it's earnings today too. I already moved my stop to break even, so if it takes me out, it takes me out. We're out of there. Which it's already pretty close to. So earnings period end is obviously the first quarter. But when is report date? Today's the 28th. So the only we have on US30 for earnings is CVX. Earnings rating is a sell. So, okay, so this is Chevron. I don't know how to read this shit, but I could automatically look at this chart here, right? And I could draw out my fib from this high to this low, and I know that this is at 61% ILC. That's being rejected right here, clearly. Now it is still using the EMAs. I don't know what EMAs these are, but it is still using them. So kind of filling this gap right here, but I think it could definitely make it down here, which should continue to bring down our price. I'm assuming. It's the first time I've ever kind of done that, but that's the only thing that's coming out today that would affect the US30. So, I don't know. Let's see. Let's see if we can turn. I don't really like that, right? Because now it's stacking up. And sort of the same thing right here, right? It could be doing this. Boom. And just continue its way up. So I think we need to see this thing break through here. Because we could already see a trend line forming, right? And if it continues to use this trend line as support, it's using it as support to go up. So Let's see. Our stops are already at break even. So let's see. See that? That's not good, right? In terms of what we want to happen. Starting to stack up and use this. So there's a good chance it comes up on us now, especially the way it's finished. You know, we got, I forgot what this formation is called, but yeah, it's 1, 2. Usually this one, well, I guess this one's kind of retested the area already. So yeah, this one retest. So, nah, not really. It wasn't the third candle here, because usually this candle right here is like a hammer, so we expect that thing to come down, right? So let's see what happens. We're up about 9 pips, 7 pips, 6 pips. Man, I kind of want to move my stop loss, but maybe it's just telling me to take this day for what it is. And I am. Yeah, it looks like it's making its way. Damn, I did move my stop loss, but might be a mistake, right? Just because we could see the momentum. Probably got to listen to myself, but maybe we get a retest right here and then it falls off. But if we see a breakthrough and kind of just blow past, where is it at? If we see it blow past this area here, then I think we know it's kind of getting up out of here. So what is that, 875-ish? So it's about 40 pips away from that area. I don't know if I'm going to. This next one can break through. Break it the wrong way. Might just be that. So it's definitely a possibility. Wee. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. Wheels on the bus go round and round. Got another rejection there, right? Let's see what happens here. So these are all key areas right here, right? This is key right here. If it doesn't break through, we know it's coming up. Yeah, look at that. Still carrying that bullish momentum. So I think for me, I'm just going to get out of the trade. No point in sticking to it and staying with it. We already have, it's basically showing us what it wants to do, right? It wants to come up. Sellers are trying to come in, but they're just not coming in strong enough. So I think I'm going to just exit. Yeah, 53 seconds. Nice rejection wick off of that trend line. So yeah, I think it's going to stack up and just continue its move up, probably. You're hungry? Mom.
I remember I have school today.
Mm. 7 o'clock is coming up right now.
Wait, is today Thursday?
No, today's Friday. So you got late start.
Sorry.
Yeah, you know what? I think I'm fighting the trend right now. Dang. Hate when I do it, but I think it is what I'm doing right now. Fighting the trend, seeing that obviously it wants to come up. So 7 o'clock's probably gonna come and blow this thing the fuck up. It just looks like this is where it's headed, so yep, there it goes. Yeah, it looks like, damn. Guess it is coming up, man. I was hoping it would come down and fall off, but doesn't look like that's where it's headed. Faking us all out. Damn. Look at that thing. Damn it. Yeah, it's out of here. Yeah, it's out of here. Damn! I should have just called it when I had the chance. Yeah, it looks like all the momentum's up. So I'm going to just get out of this trade now. It's pushing up pretty heavy now. And yeah, it is what it is. Can't win them all. It was that type of day for me today, so can't be doing that, dog. Damn. Kind of mad at myself for holding that trade as long as I did and not moving stops to break even. It is what it is, though. I mean, this area has been holding up, but I think just everything that's coming with it is coming with it. So both look like they're on their way. Yeah, I had it. Well, fuck it. I'm gonna go ahead and get up off of here before I overtrade and do something I don't want to do. It looks like price is on its way up for both of these trades. We already know these got stopped out at break even. Yeah, you know what? I should have seen this right here. Once it broke above. You haven't finished your homework?
No, I said I did.
Okay, can you fill out your I seen that you didn't fill out your whatchamacallit, baby.
You said it was okay, because accidentally I forgot to read.
You have been reading, haven't you? Thank you guys for tuning in. Let me get a